you know that a simple habit of saving 20,000 rupees a month could make you crorepati several times over? Yes, you can turn your dreams of financially secure retirement into reality. Curious? Let's dive in. Hi there, let me ask you something. What does your dream retirement look like? Traveling the world? Pursuing hobbies? Spending quality time with your loved one? Sounds amazing, right? But here is the thing, all of that requires one crucial ingredient, that is financial freedom. And that's where smart retirement planning comes into play. Now, let's talk about some numbers. What if I told you that saving just 20,000 rupees every month could help you build a massive retirement corpus of 15 crore? Yes, you heard that right. 15 crore. Let's break it down in simple terms. Why start early? Here is the secret. When you start early, you tap into the magic of compounding. It's like planting a tiny seed and watching it grow into massive tree over time. The earlier you start, the more your money works for you. But if you have started late, don't panic. It's never too late to begin. What matters the most is being consistent and disciplined. How do you get there? Enter SIPs, systematic investment plans. They are one of the smartest tools for growing your wealth. With SIPs, you invest a fixed amount every month into mutual funds. Let's say you invest 20,000 rupees monthly with an expected annual return of 12%. Here is what happens over time. In 10 years, your corpus grows to about 46 lakhs. In 20 years, it's nearly about 2 crore. In 30 years, it almost grows to about 7 crore. But wait for it. If you stay invested for 37 years, your money skyrockets to an incredible 16.5 crore.
Wow, nice.
That's the magic of compounding at work. Why do SIPs work so well? There are three big reasons for that. Number one, discipline. They ensure you save regularly without missing a beat. Number two, compounding power. Your returns generate returns, creating exponential growth. Number three, flexibility. You can increase, pause, or restart your SIPs whenever you need. So, what are you waiting for? The best time to start your SIP was yesterday. The second best time is today. Take charge of your future. Click the link in the description to book your complimentary consultation and get personalized advice on building your 15 crore retirement corpus. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts regarding this or any other financial decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial experts. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.